Ageas Insurance Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Ageas Insurance isn't just a typical insurer. You won't believe how many options they offer to protect your assets. Most people get this wrong by thinking premiums are standard, but the surprising truth is Ageas tailors policies for auto, home, and life insurance, balancing coverage with cost. Pricing depends on coverage type, risk factors, and optional add-ons. A standard car insurance policy may start around annually, while home insurance can range from to $500 depending on property value. You won't believe the extras available. Roadside assistance, accident forgiveness, and legal coverage can be added for annually, enhancing protection without breaking the bank. Discounts for safe driving, multi-policy bundling, and loyalty programs further reduce costs. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the base premium. The real value comes from personalized coverage, claim support, and risk management. For example, accident forgiveness can prevent rate spikes, while bundled policies can save hundreds annually. Ageas also offers claim support, ensuring peace of mind when you need it most. In conclusion, Ageas insurance pricing is flexible and transparent. By evaluating base premiums, optional coverages, and available discounts, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly get for your money. It's more than insurance, it's comprehensive protection designed around you.